It is May 12th, 2016, and we were looking at this tree at the border between 3424 Tall Timber Trail and 3448 Tall Timber Trail. Now, the tree in question is not entirely dead. It has green leaves. However, there are dead branches, as seen right here. These overhang the power lines on the side of 3448. And so this is the concern of the resident of 3448. Now, the pictures that show the property marker before, it's seen here wrapped with orange tape, they were taken in an attitude more or less perpendicular to the street. And viewed that way, it looks offhand that the property marker is right in the middle of the tree. However, as viewed according to the plat map, the property line, the southern edge of 3424, does not run perpendicular to the street. It intersects it at an angle, and so in order to be more accurate, we have run this line along the property markers. It's not possible to extend the line to this marker in the front of the tree because of the tree in the way, but there are two other property markers which we were able to use. So this is our methodology. We found the property marker at the southeast corner of 3424. There are actually two poles here, a taller one and a smaller one. The one that's furthest south, if we were to use that one, that may give us an advantage because it would angle the line away from the tree. So in order to be fair, we use the one that's further north, and you can see that we've run the line directly out of the middle of that marker. And then we've ran the line all the way to a piece of rebar next to the tree, very taut, so it remains perfectly straight. Now, in order to ensure that it follows the property line, we're using this property marker in the middle, also marked with orange. In order to align the line perfectly with the property marker, we've used this level. The level is situated so that the edge is directly in the middle of the property marker. We then made sure that the level was actually level by using the bubbles, and then ran the line past it. Now, the line is not bent by the level because you can see that it's very loose against it. And so that's our method there. Now, looking down the line toward the tree, we can have a better idea of how the property line intersects the tree. Get a couple different views here. And so viewed in this way, we can see that the property line does not go halfway through the tree, but is instead closer to a quarter or a third at the most. That is on the side of 3424. And we can also visualize the line as if it were to intersect with the property marker in front. You can see that the line would indeed reach this marker in the trajectory that it's going.